Ojalá, ojalá que llueva café en el campo. Ojalá. What is ojalá? When do we use ojalá? 3, 2, 1. Bienvenidos a Español con Dennis. Y hoy, and today, you will know when to use ojalá and what means ojalá. Ojalá, we use it often when we want to express a strong desire or hope of longing for something maybe that we didn't have, maybe that we want, maybe that about the future, present, or past. And the word ojalá is originated from the Hispanic Arabic expression, yes, la shala. Guys, correct me if I did it wrong because I don't know this language. I don't know this language, Arabic language, guys. So la shala, inshallah, we have ojalá. And ojalá comes from this Arabic expression that the meaning is si Dios quiere, si Dios quiera. And in English it's like God willing or the God's will or God will, something like that. Like if God wants this thing to happen. Inshallah, la sha'Allah. That this expresses long desire or strong desire to something to happen. Like hope also. With hope we can use ojalá. With the Arabic influence in the Iberian Peninsula, the expression became popular, yes, and we have ojalá, ojalá. And when do we use ojalá? Ojalá we use very often with subjuntivo, ojalá, ojalá, subjuntivo, subjunctive, yes, often with subjuntivo. But we also use ojalá when we want to express hope or wishes. For example, ojalá que llueva, like I really want that it rains or I hope it rains. Ojalá que llueva, really strong desire that you really want this and you can say ojalá que llueva. And if you notice, the form of the verb llover is in subjuntivo, subjunctive, because with ojalá we use subjuntivo, guys. Ojalá que lo consigas, like I hope you succeed, like ojalá que lo consigas, ojalá que tengas éxito, like I really wish that you have success or succeed in this thing, your dreams maybe. So remember about that. Or also when we want to talk about the future, for example, imagine that tomorrow you don't want that the weather is so cold and you can say, ojalá no haga mucho frío mañana. Ojalá no haga mucho frío mañana. Like I hope it won't be too cold tomorrow. So ojalá in English can be I hope or I wish, depending on the context. The wishes or hopes. Also, we use very often ojalá about wishes that are unlikely to come true. For example, at the moment, if you are talking about time, the day is already finished and you say, ojalá tuviera más tiempo. Ojalá tuviera más tiempo. Like if I only had more time. Like you are thinking that you don't have enough time and you wish to have more time. Ojalá tuviera más tiempo. And also we can use ojalá when the past that cannot be longer changed. For example, ojalá que hubiera estudiado más. Ojalá hubiera estudiado más para pasar el examen. Yes, imagine that you had exam, yes, test, and you have a very bad result. And you wish that you can go back on time and study more to pass this exam. So you say, ojalá hubiera estudiado más para pasar este examen. The things that you cannot change already. And also another good example that we use often, ojalá fuera más joven. Ojalá fuera más joven, like you want to be younger, but you can't, guys. It's impossible. Unfortunately, it's impossible. But a lot of people speak like this, like ojalá fuera más joven. Ojalá, like they really have this strong desire to be younger. They really have this strong desire to be young again, but it's impossible, guys. And we use it very often. Ojalá fuera más joven. But also when we talk about the lottery, ojalá me tocara la lotería. Ojalá yo ganara la lotería. When you want to win the lottery, you can say ojalá que yo gane la lotería hoy. Ojalá que me tocara la lotería. Are ways to express desire that you really want this. Also, you can use ojalá in this context. Is desire, is hopes. Or ojalá que encuentres trabajo. You are wishing someone to find a job. Ojalá que encuentres trabajo. So guys, now you know when do we use ojalá. When do we use ojalá. Why we often say ojalá, ojalá, ojalá. Let me know in the comments. You knew what is ojalá? something new for you. Maybe you didn't know about it. I would like to know that. And if you think this video can be useful for someone that is learning Spanish, you can share this video, like and subscribe. This is all for today. You can watch all my other videos here in Spanish with Dennis to learn Spanish. Very useful. You can watch those videos here in the description. You can find them on my channel about verbs, about rules, about songs, about movies, everything in Spanish here en Español con Dennis.